do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel? It really helps. I know my audience is out there, but they haven't heard about the channel yet. You can help spread the word by sharing this video with your family and friends. You can help support me by becoming a patron. Follow this QR code or see the link in the description below. Information about this temple and the equipment I used is also found in the information below. Thanks for watching.